Hello, all you crypto enthusiasts in the house. Are you ready for an extraordinary expedition to rake $100 a day with cryptocurrencies? Well, tighten your seatbelts because we're thrilled to present our dynamic video, Cracking the Code, your ultimate guide on how to make $100 a day with crypto. Brace yourselves for a whirlwind of savvy techniques, insider knowledge, and a sprinkle of humor to entertain you. But hey, before we set sail on this lucrative crypto journey, here's a friendly heads up. This video isn't a substitute for financial or investment advice, but it's chock full of 5 fantastic steps to set you on the path of growing your stash using the power of crypto. Let's jump in and unleash the potential of boosting your daily earnings with the magic of digital currency. Now, depending on where you're at in your crypto journey, whether you're a beginner or a bit more experienced, there are different paths you can follow. So, what's the game plan for hitting that $100 goal through crypto? Let's break it down. Number 1, trading. Entering the world of crypto trading means embracing a roller coaster ride with ups and downs. Bitcoin's price can surge one moment and plummet 80% the next. That's the crypto world's unpredictability. Success requires quick thinking, distinguishing minor dips from major crashes, mastering trading tools, and interpreting performance graphs. And remember, crypto trading is a short-term endeavor if you're after quick profits. Hard work and skill can earn you over $100 daily, but beware, it's challenging. Mastery takes time, dedication, and learning. Get ready to surf the waves of crypto trading's wild ride, where prices unpredictably skyrocket and crash. But don't let daily price swings sway you. Just as you wouldn't abandon your garden at the first sign of rain, focus on the ultimate prize when the crypto market experiences its inevitable ebbs and flows. Number 2, investing. The golden ticket in crypto is buying and holding. Cryptocurrencies are relatively new, implying immense growth potential. To make significant profits, think long-term and stay composed amidst daily volatility. Focus on stable players like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Trust these established options for a rewarding crypto journey. Newcomers may not prove reliable. Opt for stability over shiny novelty. Fear not, bold crypto adventurers. We're here to arm you with the insights and techniques to steer through these unclear financial waters with certainty. If you're stoked about this, give that like button a gentle tap down below and imagine embarking on a digital treasure hunt, armed not with shovels and maps, but with powerful computers and an insatiable thirst for adventure in this next exciting way to make $100 a day with crypto. Number 3, mining. New transactions must pass a hard math test if they want to be added to the chain. Think of it as putting together a really hard puzzle. The computer that breaks the code first becomes the hero and earns some cryptocurrency as a reward. The cool part is that you don't have to be a market expert or look at trade charts to do this. At this point, none of that matters. It all comes down to getting that coin first. But hold on. Things aren't always going well. This process is easy to understand, but you need to know about technology and have a lot of money. Building a mining rig, which is like your crypto mining machine, isn't cheap, and getting the right hardware is a challenge, especially with the world chip shortage going on right now. While challenges like hardware scarcity exist, investing wisely can turn your mining rig into a crypto-rich asset, making technology work for your financial gain. Imagine your crypto portfolio as a thriving ecosystem, a dynamic landscape where you engage in a captivating exchange with other digital enthusiasts. Much like swapping seeds with fellow gardeners, you offer up a handful of your prized seeds, and in return, you receive an exciting variety that adds new dimensions to your virtual garden. This lively interaction among crypto assets resembles the enchanting transformation of your garden, yielding rewards as splendid as a burst of colorful blooms. with this next strategy. Number 4, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a secret sauce for making money without sacrificing your precious crypto coin. Here's the trick. You let others borrow your cryptocurrency stash and you rake in a sweet guaranteed profit. But wait, there's more. Smart contracts are the unsung heroes here. They're like digital bodyguards that keep things safe and sound while you're lending away. Lots of crypto platforms offer this cool feature, like score crypto rewards up to 0.5% when you buy on Nexo. Watch your portfolio grow with crypto.com and pocket rewards of up to 14.5% on your crypto treasures. Your crypto treasures become your trusted income generators, offering a rewarding experience while your investments thrive securely with smart contracts acting as your financial guardians and ensuring your lending ventures stay worry-free. Remember, stay on top of your transactions. The crucial base for financial organization is precise transaction recording. You've got to be a crypto sleuth, tracing every move just like Sherlock Holmes. Whether you're buying, selling, trading, or even receiving crypto gifts, it's vital to maintain a detailed log of all your crypto escapades. If you're eager for more videos on various techniques for longing crypto, don't forget to drop a comment below and hit that thumbs up button. As you gear up for the next exhilarating chapter of your crypto adventure, envision yourself as a spirited explorer, brimming with curiosity and armed with a map of possibilities with this next amazing strategy. Number 5, staking. Alright, here's another gem in your crypto treasure chest, staking. This method offers a stress-free way to watch your money grow. You hold on to your coins and let the profits flow in. Staking involves storing digital coins in your online wallet and connecting them with a specific network. This network then puts your crypto to work by verifying and approving transactions on its platform. It's like a smoother, more refined take on mining. Extra dash of relaxation. The best part, you earn rewards just as you would gain interest from a bank. Your coins roll up profits while you kick back and enjoy the ride. Picture the crypto landscape as a thrilling arcade filled with games of chance and skill. You stroll in armed with $1,000 worth of tokens and choose the game with a cryptocurrency 10% daily boost and earning you a shiny $100 prize to spend on the crypto arcade's rewards. Oh boy, what a journey it's been, my fellow crypto trailblazers. From uncovering the basics to unleashing advanced strategies, covered it all. And guess what? Armed with these insights, you're ready to conquer the crypto landscape and pave your way to making $100 a day with confidence. Give yourself a virtual high five for this epic adventure. As we wrap up our crypto adventure, it's clear that a fusion of knowledge, strategy, and determination illuminates the path to making $100 a day with cryptocurrencies. From the volatility of trading, the wisdom of holding, from the intricate puzzle of mining to the symbolic lending ecosystem and the tranquil staking haven. We've explored various avenues. Our journey has been a quest for financial growth, underscored by the understanding that success in the crypto realm requires careful navigation and continuous learning. Before we sign off, there's one final thing we'd love to ask from you, our incredible audience. If you enjoyed this journey into the realm of boosting your earnings with crypto and it brought you insights and a smile, go ahead and give that like button a good tap. And hey, if you're up for it, consider subscribing to our channel. But that's not all. Drop us a comment below and share any fantastic strategies you've discovered on your crypto adventure, along with your wish list for future videos. Your support is our rocket fuel as we aim to keep delivering valuable content and continue this remarkable journey together.